Not bad.
Not bad, no.
It's light, it's wonderful. Went out with a broom, brushed off the car, and just drove right in here, no problem. And everybody's having fun. We're gonna go sledding and have some snowball fights.
Excellent. How fast do you think it's snowing here?
I think it's going around 2 to 3 inches an hour right now. I went out early morning, threw some tracks down, and came back 45 minutes later, and our tracks are non-existent. Totally fresh.
Squaw Valley, what's going on?
We've got some incredible snow coming down right now. We've had over 3 feet in just 24 hours, and as you can see, it's still coming down really hard. That said, we're expecting to see it lighten up for Saturday, meaning we should see some great driving conditions, and Sunday we're predicted to have an incredible sunny bluebird day here at Squaw Valley USA.